The Samsung Odyssey OLED G8 is one of the most recently launched Samsung monitors and featured a new QD-OLED panel. The construction of this monitor is very modern and thin. It is made of aluminum, so it feels very premium, as it is colder to the touch compared to regular monitors, which are usually made of plastic. It also features the core lighting, which now has been improved and features Multi-Zone Rgb and can sync through a feature called Core Sync with the images on the display. This might seem pretty cool, but unfortunately the lights are not strong enough at night to project on the wall behind the monitor, which means it is not that immersive. What is immersive though, it is the 34 inches QD-OLED panel, or just OLED as marketed by Samsung, with an aspect ratio of 21:9. QD-OLED is a very big deal because it is actually the best technology on the market right now, QD standing for quantum dot, which removes the color filter layer and replaces it with quantum dots, which show much brighter and pure colors, and OLED is great for infinite contrast with perfect blacks, creating a next level of immersion while watching movies or when especially gaming. Speaking of gaming, this panel features a maximum refresh rate of 175Hz with 0.1 milliseconds response time thanks to OLED technology, and has a resolution of ultra-wide QHD, which for sure will be a competitive advantage in most of the games because you can see more than on a regular wide monitor and everything is more fluid thanks to the high refresh rate. It also features a game bar, which shows important information at a glance, such as VRR and HDR status, but also the real-time frames per second. It is also very easy to switch between different picture modes to adjust response time setting or even add a virtual aim point, which might be helpful in shooter games. The Odyssey OLED G8 also features Tizen OS, which means it has a similar OS like a Samsung Smart TV, meaning that you can watch YouTube or streaming services like Netflix, Disney Plus without the need to have a computer connected, the benefits being that it consumes a lot less energy and it handles the picture better natively compared to Windows HDR, and does features like motion interpolation, which is again usually found only in TVs. The downsides I found in this monitor is that it features mini DisplayPort and micro HDMI instead of full-size ports. Also, being an OLED, over time, if a lot of static images are displayed, such as games interfaces, the monitor might develop burn-in, but thankfully some features such as pixel refresh, pixel shift, and logo brightness are present, which should apply to game interfaces too, and are here to slow this process of burn-in over time. In conclusion, I definitely recommend this monitor if you want a next level picture quality and immersion with ultra wide aspect ratio, infinite contrast, and super bright colors. It is definitely worth it. Thank you very much for watching.